I'm going to show you how to make these Indian-inspired spicy mushroom and lamb meatballs with fenugreek curry and cilantro mint chutney. We'll start by making the mushroom and lamb meatballs. Here I have quartered cremini mushrooms that I've roasted in a 425-degree oven for about 20 minutes until they're tender and dry. Pulse the roasted mushrooms in a food processor until they are a similar size grind to the ground lamb. Place those in a large mixing bowl. I'm adding mushrooms to these meatballs in order to add moisture, umami flavor, and also improve the health and sustainability profile of the dish. Mix the rest of the meatball ingredients. That's ground lamb, red onion, garlic, ginger, ground cumin, garam masala, red chili flakes, fresh breadcrumbs, an egg, cilantro, parsley, and salt. It's easiest to incorporate these ingredients using gloved hands. Form the mixture into 2-ounce meatballs. Refrigerate the meatballs for a minimum of 15 minutes. Place the meatballs in a 425-degree Fahrenheit oven and cook for approximately 10 minutes or until the internal temperature is 165. Brush the meatballs with mango chutney and bake for 2 more minutes. Now let's make the fenugreek curry. In a small deep saucepan, heat the canola oil with the garlic until the garlic is sizzling and a light golden brown. Next, add the heavy cream and the dried fenugreek leaves. In Indian cuisine, this is also known as kasuri methi and has a sweet, herbal, celery flavor. Next, add the spices. We'll add cayenne, paprika, ground turmeric, and salt. Bring the cream sauce to a simmer and turn the heat down to maintain a gentle simmer without the cream boiling over. Cook for about 5 minutes. Add some lemon juice and season to taste with salt if needed. To serve, ladle some of the fenugreek curry in a shallow bowl. Drizzle with some mint cilantro chutney. Place 3 hot meatballs in the sauce and garnish with some mint leaves. Serve immediately. You will love these tender, spicy meatballs with rich, creamy, and aromatic curry and tangy chutney.